everybody. Welcome to a day in the life. I love day in the life videos. You guys seem to enjoy day in the life videos. You really like the woofing ones and like the workaway ones, but today is actually gonna be kind of a day in my life as a YouTuber and doing more like YouTube-y work and stuff. But it's gonna be really fun. So I thought this would be a good day to do this. I am going to do another like workaway woofing day in the life video for you guys. Maybe sometime next week, I have no idea. But stay tuned for that because I know you guys really like them. So yeah, but that's not today. So yeah, if I say so yeah one more time, my lens cap is scratched and ruined. I bought just a clear lens cap for my camera so that I could shoot on the go and not have to like take a cover off all the time. But I think it's almost time for a new one, which is unfortunate because this thing is like 25 bucks right here. But I think I'm gonna keep it on for now. Sorry guys. Actually, no, that does not look good. So I'm gonna get out of bed. Honey? So I think I need to explain this sweatshirt. So my roommate and friend Sam, who came to live with me, she's got a boyfriend named Aaron who's in the Marines, and he sent Sam and I over these matching hoodies, and it says blunts and bitches, which is just, I would never want to go out in public wearing this thing, but it is so comfy. It's so comfy. So it's just like the perfect cozy sweatshirt for, oh no! I just realized my microphone's not on my camera. Where did I put that? Oh, it's right here. Hold on. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Anyways, so this was a gift. I really love it. I wear it every night and morning and stuff, but I just wouldn't ever wear this in public. It's just not what I want to like put out into the universe. Anywho, the first thing I'm gonna do today is film a voiceover that I need to incorporate into a video that I'm gonna be editing today. So I already went ahead and wrote up my script last night. I kind of want to sing like a few songs just to warm up my vocal cords, and it just makes the voiceover process go so much smoother. Remember those walls I built? Oh baby, they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. But in your dreams, whatever they be, dream a little dream of me. Da 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 da. Everything works out so good. I wear the robe like no one could. I don't know why I'm so phlegmy today, but we're gonna just try and make the best of it. Take 1. A cash bar and a delectable food selection. Delectable food selection. Once I've started like reading it aloud with inflections and such, I realize what words aren't gonna work well with me. Our day starts off with a relaxing cruise down the Kona coast to our first of 2 snorkeling locations. Locations? I'm gonna say destinations. Sounds more natural to me. With the majority of the okay, now I have to get rid of this. We decided to take out the Sea Rocket, which is an underwater propulsion. Okay, so I just got through it completely, and I made my last minute edits, just words that sound better. I think I'm gonna just keep rolling through this.
20 minutes later.
So there's one more work-related thing, before leaving for the day. I'm going to post 2 photos on Instagram. I've been using the app Unum. You can see it right here, this guy. Boo! Now you can see all my plans. So this is an Instagram planning app. So I just put in like all my photos and then I can rearrange them, and then I get notified little reminders that I need to post, because I will go days at a time without posting and I get really overwhelmed with all my photos and stuff. So ever since downloading Unum, I love Instagram again. I'm gonna post that. I'm gonna do that right now and then get ready to go. So I'll see you guys later. Oh, look at these. Oh, look at this. Hello. So I just drove into town. I dropped Sam off at work, and I'm gonna run a couple of errands before we get to work.
2 hours later.
I am gonna go finally get to work. I'm like itching to get started because this day is just getting ahead of me. Now I have to go walk like a few blocks to Daylight Mind, the cafe that I showed you guys in my Iron Man video, but I'm gonna go back there because it's my favorite place to work, and I can just sit there for hours and hours and hours. So, let's go.
One eternity later. Last stop of the night. I've worked up quite the appetite, and I've just discovered my new favorite Thai place. That is a very loud truck. I'm gonna take some back home to Sam, and it's gonna be an amazing, incredible feast of coziness and happiness. Kitty. I'm wrapping up this video. I'm gonna have a feast in my bed watching YouTube. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys really soon with another video. I hope you're all doing really well in the meantime, and I love you guys so much.